Earth is about 4.5 billion years old. In that unimaginable span of time, it has been a fiery ball of lava, a frozen wasteland, the stage of cosmic collisions, and the cradle of life itself. Today, we'll journey through the epic story of how billions of years shaped our world. It all began with a swirling disk of dust and gas around the young sun. Gravity pulled particles together, forming rocks, then larger blocks, until a planet emerged. But the early Earth was anything but calm. Constant impacts melted its surface into a vast ocean of magma. Then came one of the most dramatic events in planetary history, a collision with a Mars-sized protoplanet. The impact was so violent that debris was thrown into orbit, eventually forming our moon. This wasn't just a side effect. The moon stabilized Earth's rotation, preventing chaotic tilts and giving the planet the regular seasons that would one day nurture life. As Earth cooled, volcanic eruptions released vapor and icy comets delivered water. For millions of years, rain poured endlessly, filling basins and carving valleys. Out of this deluge, the first oceans were born, around 4 billion years ago. Within those oceans, something extraordinary happened. Around 3.5 billion years ago, the first microorganisms appeared. Simple, fragile, yet revolutionary. Later, cyanobacteria began photosynthesis, releasing oxygen into the atmosphere. This was the Great Oxidation Event, a turning point that transformed Earth from a hostile world into one capable of supporting complex life. For nearly 1 billion years, progress seemed slow. Scientists call it the boring billion. But beneath the surface, oxygen was building, oceans were changing, and the stage was being set. Then, about 540 million years ago, came the Cambrian explosion. In a geologic blink, animals with eyes, shells, spines, and mouths appeared. Almost every major group of modern animals traces its roots back to this burst of evolution. Life flourished, spreading from oceans to land. Plants colonized the continents, reshaping the atmosphere and climate. Forests grew so vast they left behind the coal we still use today. Insects, amphibians, and reptiles followed, each wave of life altering the planet further. Then came the giants, the dinosaurs, ruling Earth for 160 million years. They were diverse, some small and swift, others towering and massive. Birds, in fact, are their living descendants. But 66 million years ago, disaster struck. A 10-kilometer asteroid slammed into Earth, unleashing energy equal to 10 billion atomic bombs. Fires raged, tsunamis swept across continents, and a dust cloud blocked sunlight, collapsing ecosystems. In the aftermath, 75% of species vanished. Yet this was only one of 5 mass extinctions that Earth has endured. Each reset the planet, wiping out life and opening space for new forms to rise. After the dinosaurs, mammals seized the opportunity. Over millions of years, they diversified, leading eventually to the emergence of our ancestors. Around 2.8 million years ago, the genus Homo appeared, and just 300,000 years ago, Homo sapiens, us. To put that in perspective, if Earth's history were compressed into a single day, humans would arrive in the final seconds before midnight. Our cities, technology, and even the internet, they wouldn't even register on that cosmic clock. Earth's story is one of resilience and transformation. It has been nearly reset multiple times, yet life always finds a way back. And here we are, newcomers in a saga billions of years long, acting as if we own the planet. The truth is, we are only one chapter in this vast, ongoing epic. The journey continues. Volcanoes still reshape landscapes, species rise and fall, and human technology now influences the planet in ways no asteroid or volcano ever has. Whether that leads to progress or peril is up to us. This was the history of Earth, a story of fire, water, life, and survival across billions of years. If you enjoyed this journey, hit like, subscribe,
turn on the bell to receive alerts, and share which moment in Earth's epic history amazed you the most.
See ya!